theory, and that is about Bayes' two effective combinations. What is Bayes' two effective combinations? According to Van Barbara, intensification is the process of meaningful interactions among human beings, facilitating the perceptions, feelings, and understanding among individuals. However, Bayes' prevents the relationship from reaching intended receivers. Some common barriers include language barriers. Communication barriers such as different language, vocabulary, accents, dialect, represents additional regional barriers. Semantic gaps, where words have similar pronunciations, but meaningful meanings can lead to misunderstanding. Additionally, there is a difficult or incomplete words for explain usage or misunderstanding and cause confusion in communication. Next, please. Cultural barriers. Barriers are such as age, location, gender, social status, economic position, cultural background, temperament, health, beauty, popularity, religion, ethics, values, motives, assumptions, aspirations, regulations, standards, and qualities. In create barriers and separate individual from each other in communications. Next is individual barriers. Individual or institutional barriers to communications come from factors such as differences in perceptions and personal discomfort. Individuals experience the sacred environmental interpretations and perceptions by creating structures to effective communications. Style selective perceptions, affect or attentions and intentions, close-mindedness, such interpretations are the interpretations. These barriers can block the informations and understanding with individuals leading to misunderstandings without the information. Organizational barrier. The barriers described involve both informational and physical aspects for organizational control, strict rules, and inadequate facilities for communities of growth, while any other external factors such as physical workspace limitations, updated equipment, and which create additional obstacles. These barriers collectively block the productivity and effectiveness of the organizations. Next is interpersonal barrier. Many barriers involve mistrust of employees, lack of understanding of nonverbal cues, tidiness states, neglect of employee needs, and cyber control. Employee barriers include lack of motivations, operations, trust, fear of consequences, and relationship with employees. These barriers create staff, effective communications, and collaboration on the outside. Next class. For the start predicting problems, so the limitations in physical and mental entities, intelligence, understanding, and frequency process. Along with this branch, a mental barrier that divides attention and creates attitudes and limits the audition. Channel balance. Communication breakdowns may occur between words, words, factors such as usage, and lack of intelligence, interpersonal conflicts, lack of interest, and relationship or access problems. These factors can affect clarity, accuracy, and effectiveness in communication. This for breaking the barriers. The first two actions or strategies that individuals or organizations can undertake to overcome obstacles or challenges that barriers effective communication barriers. First is allowing the resources, self-expression, and identity. These practices empower employees, leading to increased engagement and Next is strong expectation fathers use them as good fortune as never, always, and forever, etc. It also promotes understanding and not respect between individuals living more effectively interactions and outcomes. Be a good, attentive, and active listener. It promotes understanding, build trust, and relationships. Next is checking the information thoroughly before passing to the matters. It ensures accuracy, relevance, and reliability. Next is try to establish one communication channel and eliminate the intermediaries. This approach minimizes delays, prevents confusion, and transparency, leading to improved collaboration and decision-making within the organization. This is specific and approach which covers and understanding. Describe and rules leaders of understanding. Try to build the expression process of the speaker. Acknowledging the speaker's feelings, intentions, and perspective leading to deeper connections, trust, and effective problem solving. It is the unique attitude listening. The unique attitude listening is where the focus is on listening the needs, preparing and concerning of the audience. Maintain eye contact with the speaker and making them comfortable. Enhance understanding, attention, and the perspective in the speaker and the listener. Make the instruction if the information is very detailed or complicated. It provides clear guidance to listeners of misunderstanding or confusion and promotes effective instructions. Oral communication must be clear and not heavily accent. It ensures that messages are conveyed and accurately and reduce risk of misinterpretation. Avoid miscommunication of words and semantics. This helps to prevent misunderstanding, mistakes, and errors. As per clarifications, where necessary, it promotes effective communications, prevents errors, or reduces risk of miscommunication. Make the organizational structure more flexible, dynamic, and transparent. Encourage creativity and collaboration. It enhances unity and understanding of tools and responsibilities. Also, combined relationship which and coordination between the superior and subordinates. By promoting trust, respect, and effective communication. Focus on purpose and refocus on operation. It helps to avoid misunderstanding, distractions, and wasted time, leading to more efficient and effective interaction. This is the message of communication should be clear and practical. Facilitates understanding and manipulation in action to reduce confusion and misinterpretation. Get proper feedback. Essential for improving performance, identifying areas for growth, and ensuring continuous learning and development. Those for making daily values. The first two actions or behaviors to avoid when trying to overcome style or values in communication. First is a selective listener. This is where the person hears another but selects material that is created by his or their progression other message. Either to personal bias, distraction, or preference to deliver message. This behavior will lead to misunderstandings, miscommunication, and bring down the relationship as it undermines trust and respect in communication. Be a fixer. A fixer is a person that tries to find other person's fault. Being a fixer minimizes mislead dialogue and problems all about progress and not loud understanding. Be a behavior. This figure can be perceived as destructive or uninterested with others and damaging relationships. Use function of human while communication. It can lead to delays, misunderstanding, and these too many technical verbs. It can always be audience, especially if they are not familiar with the minority dependent on this application. It can lead to accurate judgment and decisions after information, cognition, reasoning, and misunderstanding techniques or applies. Practice figures instruction values relevant audience. That means instruct the flow of information is not rigorous, good speak, good speak, and good distance. That's all.
Wala na oras.